how to completely disable AI features on Windows 11. So you gotta put in mind that you can't fully remove every AI related feature built into Windows 11, but you can turn off or hide most of them. So the first thing you can do is go ahead and type in Windows and then R on your keyboard, Win R, and then you're gonna search this or type this in gpedit.msc. Press an OK, and this little tab will pop out. You're gonna go ahead into user configuration and then administrative templates. You're gonna go to Windows components and then search for your Windows Copilot. So it's gonna be over here. Gonna open that up and then you're gonna set this enabled. So just go ahead and double click that and then toggle on enabled, press on apply, and then just press on OK. Now there's some other things you can do as well. It's going into your settings, then privacy and security. Go ahead to your search permissions, it should be right here. Make sure you toggle this off, show search highlights. Things you can do is back in privacy and security. You can go ahead to diagnostics and feedback, and then make sure this is toggled off as well. If you have any AI related apps, you can uninstall them as well. And even after doing all this, Windows still has some background AI elements like system level features and updates. So while you can disable almost most of these, there isn't a 100% complete removal unless you modify the OS at a deeper level, which has to take a bit more experience than just this. So those are a few options you can try if you want to do this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.